So here is the capsules, and it smells like luxury kind of skincare item. I'm just kidding, it just smells like any other skincare item. So beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is the Macys 25 days of advent calendar, and I think this one price is around $99, and let me see, like you would get a value of $434 and a special gift of $10 gift card. And right now they have some kind of sale on this one, so I think I got like around 30% off or something on this beauty, like in Macy's store, but online I think they are sold out. So this is 25 days of beauty advent calendar from Macy's. So this is how it looks. So here is the number 1 Galactic Precise Eyeliner Marker, and this is in the black. So here we have number 2. This doesn't look like a full size. It's the Lancome Moisture Big Mascara, and this is in the big is the new black. So this looks like a black mascara, and I really like this one. So this is the wand they have. So I have tried in the past and I really like it, so do give it a shot if you are into more like dramatic kind of eye mascara, then give it a shot. Here is the number 3. Okay, so this is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Sage and Orange Blossom. The mist is like too big, but it smells kind of good. It could smell some kind of fruity kind of smell. Oh, it's the orange blossom. Okay, it's the aloe, sage and orange blossom. All I could smell is that orange ish kind of smell. And here is the number 4. 4 is this beauty. So this is the liquid facial soap oily skin formula, and this is the size that we got, and this looks like a fun size as well. And here is the number 5, and it's a Peter Thompson Roth, and it's a collagen moisture. Number 6, this beauty. So this is the cleansing spa water from the Cogen Do. That's what it says. It's a cleansing water and a makeup remover. Next we have number 7 in here, Stella Shimmer Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, shade Starlight. So here is how it looks. So I'm going to swatch this in here. So here is what we are looking at. That's a pretty shade. Number 8 in here. So here is the number 8, Tarte Lippy, and this is the matte tint lipstick, and this is in the shade Whisper. Here is how it looks. And okay, so this looks like a matte lippy. So I'm going to swatch this in here. So this is how it looks. That's a good one. Number 9, and this looks like a brush. The shape of it itself looks like a brush, and here is the brush, and it's kind of like smushed to. Number 10, Lavido Inspired by Nature. It's a Age Away Hydrating Cream. Number 11 in here. Let's see what we got. Number 11. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. So that's the primer that we got. So here is this size. It's a teeny tiny size. is the 12 Elmer's Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle night cream. 13. Where is 13? Oh, here is the 13. We know Perfect Serum. And number 14 is here. It's a Rescue Mass Repair Treatment. 15 is here, and it's a teeny tiny square. Let's see what the item that we have in square. Oh, okay, I'm excited about this one. So this one is SK2 RNA Power New Age Cream, and this is the moisturizing cream. So I really wanted to get my hands on one of these products. These are like really expensive kind of skincare line, so I never got chance to try one of those, but I'm excited to get this one. And it smells like roses, and it smells like luxury kind of skincare item. I'm just kidding, it just smells like any other skincare item. So here is number 16, one more tube of something, and that something is the Bare Minerals Prime Time, and it's a teeny tiny sample size. Is the number 17. So here is the capsules. Elizabeth Aaron New York Vitamin C Ceramide Capsule. That's really fancy. I have seen this like in Macys couple of times, but I never got chance to try even this one. So this is how the capsules looks like. This is not like to swallow. This is for face. Here is the number 18 Dr. Brand. It's the Dr. Brand microabrasion age defining exfoliating, also a deluxe sample size. I think most of them are like deluxe sample sizes. 19 in here. This is the Shiseido Unit Immune Power Infused Concentrate, and this looks like an eye cream. So I have tried this one in the past, and this is in 10 ml. Oh, okay, this is also a sample. It says sample, not for sale. Oh, okay, so Macy's, they would get these samples, right? So they put all of that into this box. That's a good and genius idea. So here is the 20 in here. This is also a sample size, and it's the Pericon MD Cold Plasma Plus. 21 Ice Sunday Rally, and I think I have got this in one of my earlier beauty box. Next we have 22 in here. Translucent loose setting powder in the shade Glow, and the 23 is what? There it is. It's the chamomile eye oil. Okay, from Sundari. Wow. Place one drop onto your finger and gently press around the eye orbit. That's what it says. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and crow feet. From Sundari.com. In my language, Sundari means beautiful lady. So that's that. 24, and here is 24 Kills Super Multi Corrective Cream. Off to the last product. Oh no, where is it? Really? This is what they gave. Is the $10 off your next beauty purchase. So this is what they gave me as a number 25. So I was like thinking like they have some kind of eyeshadow palette or something in here, like that's the size. These are all the beauties. So overall I think I'm okay with this one, but because right now they have like 30% off, so I'm okay paying that amount, and this is going to be a really good gift as well, so why not go for it. So that is that, and if you really liked today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.